Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can save .rar file into zip file. See here in my download folder, just for this example, I have downloaded a WordPress theme. Usually when you upload a WordPress theme, it always take in the zip format. That's the reason I have a requirement to convert or to save this RAR to the zip folder. How you can do that? You need to right click on a particular RAR which you want to convert into zip or save it into zip, and I assume you have WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR software on your Windows laptop, I already did a video tutorial on that, how you can download and install. It is very easy. Within 1 minute you can do that. Just install this, and just you need to click on extract files. So you need to click on extract here, so that all the files will be extracted as a normal folder. See, something like this here. So once you are done with the extracting the files, it will be shown something as this one. See here, the normal folder. Now you need to right click again on this and use the same software WinRAR and click on add to archive. Now you'll get the option to save it as a zip. See here, click on the zip option, and this is the path it is showing me on the desktop. If you don't want to do on the desktop, you can choose the folder here anywhere to something like that, but I'm okay with the desktop, and I'll click on OK. As soon as I do that, this will be converted or saved into the zip folder, zip format here, and it will be available under my, see here, this is the zip format what I have just saved it. Or I'll show you the properties here. You can see the file extension .zip. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.